robots, we're going to be sitting around eating pizza and trying to build a robot. It's opened a whole new world for me.
Before I got in, I actually didn't know what to expect.
I had no idea what to expect.
I didn't know what I was getting myself into.
My career, my entire life.
The way they solve problems is unbelievable.
Ready to address big problems.
It helped me to take the initiative and problem solve.
I thought it was just like a small little organization, and it's so much bigger than I ever thought this would be.
So I expected to get some electrical training. I'm prepared to be an engineer.
A whole different perspective of what I want to do with my future.
This is what I want to do. This is so cool.
Good morning, Midland! Yeah! Please put your hands together. Let's welcome our Master of Ceremonies, Miss Renee Worsling.
Hello. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Great Lakes Bay Region District Competition. Are you guys ready for some robot rumbling? Yeah, that's what I like to hear. All right. Now, we've got a lot of teams here today. Who thinks that they've got the longest drive? Who thinks they had the furthest drive? Midland? No, you didn't. All right. Well, nobody thinks that they drove the furthest, so I will just let you know that Team 4381 from Richland, Michigan did. Yeah, let's hear it for them. They came all the way out here today. And in second place, we got Team 66, the Flyers from Ypsilanti. It's great that we've got teams from West Michigan, from Detroit area, from the Thumb. We've got teams here from Pigeon, Michigan, and even from Ubley. Ubley, I couldn't believe that was the name of a city in Michigan. It's awesome. So thank you all for coming out here and bringing your robots. We're going to have a fantastic day. Before we get started, though, here's a message from our first founders, Dean Kamen, and our national advisor, Woody Flowers.
Welcome to your First in Michigan district event. I've been at First for about a year now. I thought there'd be lots of chances to meet creative, energetic young people as they work through the challenges of a First Robotics season. I'd heard First kids were the best of the best, and wow, have you been impressive. Here's what I didn't quite realize: the quality of character and depth of commitment of the First mentoring community. Thank you, mentors, so much. You really are the secret sauce that makes First so special. Congratulations to all of you on another fantastic First Robotics season. Now here's a quick message from Dean and Woody.
Congratulations on building a robot to play aerial assist.
It's simple, right? Just 4 aspects. You acquire a ball, you assist your partners, you advance down the field, and you score.
You've already demonstrated your ability to achieve these tasks while building your robot. You've had to acquire new skills in design, programming, fabrication, and troubleshooting, just to name a few.
No single person built your robot. It's the result of an entire team of mentors, sponsors, and students assisting each other, mastering new skills to advance to the goal of creating your robot. Now there are 2,500 unique solutions to that one problem.
And now you're here to score. You've accomplished your goal. As a community, we celebrate that success.
First is not about today's game, nor about the wonderful build process you just completed. First is about preparing for life.
And life won't be simple. I'll guarantee you there'll be tougher challenges than building a robot in just 6 weeks. You'll need to acquire new skills in technology, communications, and leadership.
Along the way, be ready to assist others and to accept assistance. The problems you face require teams working together. You need to become part of a strong network of collaborators and friends.
Leveraging your skills, experiences, and networks will position you to advance solutions. You'll need to test ideas along the way, document difficulties when things go wrong, and make critical improvements to your innovative solutions.
These steps will position you to score, to find solutions, to have a meaningful and rewarding life, to be part of something much bigger than just self.
FIRST is not about robots. It's not just a game played on a field. FIRST is preparing you for some of life's greatest challenges. But for now, let's celebrate, have some fun, and enjoy Aerial Assist.
Don't you love those guys? All right, now I would like to introduce Dow High School's principal, Pam Castle, for a few words.
Thank you. Good morning, Great Lakes Bay First Robotics. Welcome to Charge Your Country. We are very glad to have you here this morning. And as principal of Dow High School, we're honored to have the robotics competition on our campus today and tomorrow. As a mom of two sons that are currently serving in the military, I'm extremely proud that the robotics is supporting such a worthy service project. Your initiative, Aaron's Gifts, is a wonderful way to support our men and women who are serving our country each and every day. Their sacrifices make it possible for us to be here today so that we have the opportunity to marvel at the amazing talent that the students are bringing to our gym. Dow High is proud to host our first competition this weekend. We're proud to have the science and technology student leaders from across Michigan join us in the competition. A heartfelt Charger spirit thank you to the volunteers, our parents, advisors, our students who helped make this happen the last couple of days, our event sponsors, and community leaders. We thank you for making this a very memorable and fun experience for the students. From the Dow High staff and student body, we wish everyone at the tournament a very successful, but most of all, a fun competition. Have a fabulous couple of days. Thanks for coming to Dow High. Have fun.
Thank you, Pam. All right. This competition is only made possible by our sponsors. And representing our primary sponsor, Dow Chemical, please give a warm welcome to Rich Wells, Vice President and Site Director of Michigan Operations.
Thank you. The Public Affairs Department at Dow gave me a speech, but I'm not going to read that because I cannot believe what I am experiencing here today. As you get a job like mine because when I was your age, I was a science geek, and I never, ever imagined I would be standing in a place where you play basketball and volleyball and be celebrating science. You got a band in here. We've got cheerleaders. You've got mascots. This is incredible, and to be part of that and to be allow Dow Chemical to sponsor that, what a great experience it is for all of us. Before I give you guys some words of encouragement, I do want to talk a bit about something that's very important to us at Dow, and that is your safety when you're out here today, when you're on the field of competition, when you're working in the pits. Some of you have noticed that I'm not wearing a traditional dress shirt under here today. And the reason I am not is I am privileged to lead 3,000 employees who work at Dow's Michigan operations. That's the original site that Dow Chemical was founded on over 117 years ago, and we still produce products today. And I challenged that site to work, to set a new safety record, to work the most days they've ever worked without having any kind of injury. And as I don't like the Tigers, I'll put it that way. I'm from Minnesota, and I'm a big Twins fan. And I said, if you guys would work break that new record, then I would wear a Tigers jersey. It's not just a Tigers jersey, it's a Verlander jersey. So if our workforce of 3,000 Dow and contractors can work for better part of 4 months without having an injury, I know you can be out here and working and you can stay safe for this entire weekend, so thanks for that. You know, this first robotics, and you saw Dean Kamen up talking about, he founded this. I had the pleasure of meeting Dean earlier this year. What a concept. It's a way to make science, technology, engineering, and math fun. And quite frankly, we need it to be fun because right now in our country, we have a crisis. And it's a crisis that threatens the entire, so I'm concerned, our country and its future. You see, our country is going to advance because we invent things. We innovate new things. And that takes people who have interest in science, technology, engineering, and math, in STEM. And FIRST Robotics and what all of you doing out here is working in STEM. And our hope and our desire is that you take this creativity, you take what you've learned, and continue to work on that, take it through college, graduate from a university with a degree in STEM, and then that allows the companies and the institutions like Dow Chemical to take your talents, put them to work so that this world is a better place because of your talents. You know, we need about 400,000 students in STEM each and every year, and we have a real shortage of that. And if we don't fill that shortage, again, we're going to have a problem. So that's what this is all about today and tomorrow. We hope you have a great weekend. And I don't want to be corny, but may the best robot win. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wells. All right, now we've got to meet a very special group of people. That's right, they are the blue shirts. They are our crazy judges. They've got a very difficult task ahead of them this weekend. And to introduce them, please welcome the judge advisor, Louis Martin, president of Martinsight and AdComp North America.
Thank you, Renee. You know, I was a mentor for 5 years of a team a bit south of here and been doing this for a couple of years. And I can tell you that every day at work, we use all the business and technical skills you learn to sell materials. So what you're learning is incredibly, incredibly important. And what you have here today is also an incredibly competent team of judges. We will find the best of you for each award that we can. So good luck to all of you, and make a good showing for these guys, all right?
Good morning. I'm Patrick Roberts. I work for General Motors in their manufacturing engineering, body, and stamping group. It's great to be here today.
Good morning. Jose Porsche. I work for SC Johnson in new products and new technologies. Thank you.
Good morning, teams. My name is Barry McGregor. I work for Dow Corning. I'm the Global Manager of Automation for Dow Corning. Good luck, everybody.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jack Robinson. I work for Dow Chemical, and I'm a scientist.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Paul Morabito. I work for Dow Chemical. I'm a manager of a group called Automation, and good luck, everyone.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm the president of the Savant Group of companies here in Midland, and we manufacture laboratory instruments and run a laboratory testing program. I'm so excited to be here and see what you guys have all built.
Hello, I'm Sarah Stoner. I'm a process engineer in an R&D group at Hemlock Semiconductor, and I'm excited to see what you guys have to show us today.
Good morning. I'm Brooks Wells. I lead the process automation team at Hemlock Semiconductor.
Hello, everyone. My name's Heidi Mahon. I'm Director of Student Services in the College of Science and Technology at Central Michigan, and I'm very happy to be here.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Joe Fiore. I work at Next Year Automotive. I am an engineering manager there.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jim Nigro. I work at McKay Press as our Vice President of Sales and Marketing, and I'm having a riot, so keep on making my day.
Hi, I'm Bob Whistler. I'm the IT director at Northwood University. Glad to be here.
Hi, everybody. I'm Chris Charleboy. I'm the Quality and Continuous Improvement Manager at Huhtamaki Plastics. Good luck.
I'm Andrew Chubb. I'm the Associate Dean for the College of Science, Engineering, and Technology, STEM. Yeah. At Saginaw Valley State University.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. I am Jeremy Warmbier. I am the embedded software team lead at Holla Mechatronics, and I am extremely excited to see what you guys can all do. Thank you.
And I'm the last judge. I'm Claude Dinsmore. I work for Fanuc Robotics. My day is building robots just like your day. So everybody, have fun and great competition today.
Thank you, judges. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you all around this weekend. There's another fantastic group of people. Their job is to ensure fair gameplay, making sure everyone operates within the rules, and making sure all teams compete in a graciously professional manner. Can we please give it up for the judges? And please welcome your referee leader by Tito Huffman, project engineer in propulsion systems research at General Motors. That was weird.
How's everybody doing today? I just want to introduce my refereeing crew for you today. Today we have all the way from Minnesota, Matt, come on out. Next slide. We also have Leith, come on out. We got Shane, Greg, got Mark, and last but not least, we got Steven. All right, this is our ref crew for today. We're here to have fun. We're here to call a good match. Thank you very much.
Thank you, judges. Safety is so important to us at First. To help keep us safe this weekend, I would like to introduce our lead safety advisor, Samuel Bob, engineer for UL in Northbrook, Illinois, and the UL safety advisors from UL and Dow Chemical. They're over there in the green shirts. Now let's take a look at the winning safety animation by Team 3324, the Metrobots. How cute was that? All right. The volunteers did one heck of a job putting this competition together for us all and making it possible. Without them, we wouldn't be able to put on such an outstanding event. The First staff wants to thank them, and so do we. Let's roll a video.
First is changing lives and building a better future. Volunteers, we couldn't do it without your talents, passion, and heart. Here at First Headquarters, we just want to say...
Teşekkürler.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
Dote. Spasiba. Ta. Thank you.
Iniche, Inibara.
Domo arigato.
Thank you.
Zikomo kwambiri. Thank you. Sheshe.
Thank you. Kamsahamnida.
Thank you. Donga.
Thanks, eh?
Grazie. Marachkwa. Thanks.
Toda. Thank you.
Merci. Obrigado.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, first volunteers.
No matter how you say it, we appreciate everything you do. You make the difference. You make us first.
Yes. The volunteers are doing an awesome job. Let's make sure they're appreciated this weekend. Mentors and coaches, they're also very important for FIRST. Now, there's a lot of mentors and coaches who not only do FIRST robotics competitions, but they're involved in FIRST Lego League and FIRST Tech Challenges as well. And their job is so important because they're teaching all of these students how to think outside of the box and how to solve problems and methods and techniques, and it's so important. So can we just give it up for all of our mentors and coaches? I want to hear it, guys. They deserve it. You all deserve it. There's a place for everyone at FIRST, regardless of age or ability. So if you would like to get more involved, please go to the FIRST website, usfirst.org. Before we get the show on the road, please stand for the national anthem, which will be performed by Dow High School's band. And please welcome the Mid-Michigan Airborne Chapter of the 82nd Airborne Division Association for our color guard. Thank you. All right, guys, we're almost ready to roll. I'm so excited to see this competition. I think it's going to be great. But before we do, to help explain the rules and scoring for this year's competition, let's watch the aerial assist game animation video.
Welcome to the 2014 FIRST Robotics Competition and this year's game, Aerial Assist. Aerial Assist is played on an approximately 25 by 54-foot field. Alliances of 3 teams each operate their robots from behind alliance walls at the ends of the field. 2 large scoring goals are located at the top of each alliance wall above the driver stations. 2 smaller scoring goals are at the lower corners of the alliance wall. The center of the field is spanned by the truss, which is approximately 5 feet above the floor. The field is segmented into 3 equal-sized zones, red, white, and blue. Additional goalie zones are at the ends of the field, between the pairs of low goals. Aerial assist is played with 2-foot diameter exercise balls, colored red and blue to match the corresponding alliance. The objective of aerial assist is for teams on an alliance to work together to advance the ball down the field and score into their alliance goals at the far end of the field. A ball scored in a low goal earns 1 point. A ball scored in a high goal earns 10 points. Robots that assist their alliance when scoring will earn big bonuses. The match begins with each robot starting in the white zone or a goalie zone. Each robot can be preloaded with 1 game ball. A 10-second autonomous period starts the match. During this period, robots use pre-programmed instructions. Each ball scored during the autonomous period earns a 5-point bonus. 1 set of goals will be lit up and hot during each half of the autonomous period. Each ball scored in a hot goal gets an extra 5-point bonus. And every robot that moves from the center white zone into their own zone during autonomous gets another 5-point bonus. At the end of this period, human drivers step forward to take the controls. As the teleoperated period starts, teams command their robots to score as quickly as possible. The scoring cycle starts as a human player transfers a ball onto the field. Robots can just take the ball and run directly to the other end of the field to earn the basic goal score. But receiving assistance from your partners in moving the ball down the field will add bonus points. Alliances that use all 3 robots to assist the ball through all 3 zones will earn the most points. Throwing the ball over the truss on the way to a score will add a 10-point bonus, and having your alliance partner catch the toss will add another 10 points. Of course, robots will have to be built robustly to avoid damage from falling balls. Meanwhile, 1 robot in the goalie zone can extend upwards to block shots and defend the goals. Alliances try to score as many points as they can during the 2.5-minute match. Good luck, and we'll see you at the competitions.
All right, it looks like we're almost ready to go. Now, please give it up for our wonderful game announcer, Tom Nader.